Hi, up next, we're going to be looking at how to set stop loss and take profits. Right now, we are on EuroCAD. Let's take a buy. Right, now let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. In order to set take profits on this buy, you can just come to the chart, find your buy here, and drag it up. Right, because we are setting a take profit on a buy. And to make profits on a buy, we need for the price to go up, and we're good. Now, for setting a stop loss, we drag it down because we want to protect ourselves from the price going down further than expected. And then you're good, okay? So let's check another way to do that. Let's use GBP/USD. So let's make a sell. Now you can come here where it says SL and double click on it. You can see it says stop loss. Here, you can modify the stop loss to the price you want. And you can also set a take profit in the very same window. So let's say take profits 1.27625, 1.27625, okay? Now, if you click on modify, you'll see it was added. Let's set a stop loss, double click on the stop loss down here, and let's set our stop loss at 1.27850, and then you click on modify, okay? That was the second way you can set a stop loss or take profit. For the third way, let's use a different pair. You double click on it like you want to take a trade, and then you set it here before you enter the trade. So the stop loss, let's say we want to take a buy, so the stop loss will be 0.90730, and then take profit should be up because we want to buy something around 0.90850. Now, if I sell, it will be invalid. Watch, you can see now it is invalid because the take profit and stop loss prices are set for buying a position, okay? So let's buy now, and you can see it went through. Great, we've seen 3 good ways to set stop loss and take profits. We did it by double clicking, dragging it directly on chart, or using it from here, double clicking this point. You can use any of those 3 ways to set your stop loss and take profit. See you on the next video where we are going to talk about how to set a trailing stop. See you there.